Assalamu alaikum. Ali Standard Mathematics A by Cantab publisher, and remember, all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, and our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And today's topic, things that are red. It means that a cello is going to be like this, that by the end of this lesson students will be able to recognize red color. So to begin the lesson, what we suggest you to do, show them different objects of red color like this. Students, look at here. What is this? This is a juicy apple and it is of red color. This is a red apple. This is a red apple. And look at here. This is a red strawberry. This is a red strawberry. A red apple, a red strawberry. And what is this in my hand? A red balloon. Balloon, red balloon. And look at here. What is this in my hand? A red paper bag. A red paper bag. A red paper bag. This paper bag is of red color. A red paper bag. A red balloon. A red strawberry. A red apple. And look at here. Is it a red melon? No, it's not. Is this a red lemon? No, it's not. And what's about this one? Yes, this is of red color. Good. After this, what you can do, you can give them different objects and you can ask them to separate the objects having red color. Then what you can do, you can ask them to have red Play-Doh and try to make something with this red Play-Doh. They can make an apple, they can make a ball, whatever. Then show them different objects. Which one is having red color? This one or this one? This one. Good. Then what you can do, you can give them blocks and you can ask them to take out red colored blocks and to build or to make something by using red color. After this, encourage them to look around themselves and try to find out their things having red color. Then you can also give them a piece of paper and you can ask them to make something by using red crayon or red colored pencil. After doing all these exercises, invite them for the book reading. Look at here, student. Red apple, a red apple, a red rose, a red rose, focus on the name also. A red strawberry, go, a red strawberry, red watermelon, good. Invite them for the book reading, encourage them to name the pictures given in the book. Thank you very much.